So welcome teachers. Today in this demo, I'm going to show you how to make a quiz in the learning management system and also how the students would be able to attend to the quiz. So go to your school's portal and log in. Now in the tab Teach, go to open in a new tab. Then Learn Press, go to Courses. Now let's say I want to insert a quiz in the class 10 science course. So I'm going to edit it. I'm going to edit. Now to add a new quiz, you have to click on the clock icon. That is for the quiz. So this is a cell bio quiz. So I've created the first quiz. Now I'm going to edit it. In the introductory part, you can write an instruction for the students. Kindly attempt all questions, maybe. You can also add a picture or a document if you want for reference. Now I'm going to add a question. You can either type the question, or if you already have the question ready, let's say in a notepad, you can copy paste it. I've copy pasted one question. Now I'm adding a new question. So there are different types of questions. So whether a true or false, a multi-choice or single choice. True or false is clear. Multi-choice is when you have two correct answers, and single choice is basically what we call an MCQ. So this is the first. By default, there are three options. You can add one more option as the fourth option. So I'm typing in my options. Teachers, kindly note, if you already have the material ready, you can simply copy paste it. So the blue marks the correct answer. So in this case, the first one is the correct answer. You can write the question content in subjects like mathematics, or maybe a complicated question where you want the students to refer to a particular formula or particular extra content. You can add it over here and it will be displayed along with the question. You can set the marks for the question and also the explanation. So if you give the students a chance to review, or give the option for the students to review the question, they'll be able to see the explanation. In case they have attempted wrong to a particular question, they'll know that why they were wrong. So now I've added an explanation. You can also add a question hint over here as well. So I've completed with my first question. You can change the type of question later on. If you want, you can duplicate that question. You can edit that question, or if you want, you can even delete that question. So now I'm adding a second question. So now I've made a true or false question. So this is the true. Now you can add, same way you can add content. You can keep marks for the question. You can write explanation, and you can write hint. So now I've added, let's say, 2 questions. In this way, teachers, you can add as many questions as you want. So now let's move to the settings part. In the settings part, the first is pagination questions. So pagination is in the order in which you want the questions to be displayed. Review questions. So after doing the quiz, the children get an option of reviewing the answer key, so that they'll know which one they were right in, and if they were wrong in any one, if you have added an explanation, they'll be able to see that as well. So duration. So how much time you want the student to attend that particular quiz. So I've put 2 questions over here, so I'm saying 2 minutes. You can have in minutes, hours, days, or weeks as well. Minus points, in case you want to give the minus points for every wrong answer, you can add minus points. Then what is the minimum passing grade for the student to pass that particular quiz? The retake is in case you have a more difficult quiz and you want to give a student to try it one more time in case they fail the first time. you can give them a retake attempt. Next, show check answer. Show check answer is this student will be able to check answer during the quiz. This is not, it's by default it is disabled, but in case you want to give them a quiz for, let's say, for learning something new, you might be able to use this. Show hint, if you have entered question hints and you want the students to see the question hints, you'll be able to enable that option over here. So once you're done with all the settings, just update it. Once you have updated it, the teacher can check it in preview changes, how it might look like. So this is a cell biology quiz. So this is how it's going to look like. So now I'll enroll myself as a student and show you how a student can attempt that particular quiz. And just to show you that the student can do it via their app as well. So I'm going to do this via my mobile app instead of the web portal. So in my mobile, I'm going to the Top School app. I'm logging in as a student. So you'll be able to see a new tab called as Learn. Over here, the students will be able to see the different kind of courses they can enroll in. So now I'm enrolling in class 10 science. So this is the video and the material we had uploaded in the lesson part. So let's say I've completed that. I'm clicking on complete. Then the study material, the same way, clicking on complete. Now the quiz. Now I'm going to start the quiz. So now I'm choosing the option. The student can do next question. Once they've completed the first, they can skip a particular question if they don't want it. So now I'm doing next. I can see the timing set by my teacher above. So now I've completed. Let's say I've complete. So once the student clicks on complete, the quiz will be evaluated instantly. They'll be able to see how much grade they have scored. They'll be able to see the time spent, the points, correct wrong answers and skipped ones. They can review the quiz in case they want to see the answer key. They'll be able to review it. See, the cheese is not produced with the help of bacteria. So now that's it. I've reviewed my quiz. So in this way, your students can attend to the quiz via the app and also via the web portal as well. In the same way, in teacher's login under courses, the teacher will be able to see the number of enrolled students. And if the teacher wants to view the marks of the student for that particular quiz, you have to go to gradebook, click on view. In that, now I'm able to see the student that attempted the quiz. So now the status is still in progress. So now I'm going details. Now over here, I'm able to see the quiz, the result of the quiz, the answer, the correct and the wrong questions as well. So teachers, in this way, you can take quizzes from your LMS system for a particular course. You can see the grade of the students, as the students can as well see the grades instantly once they attempt the quiz. Thank you.